Hello, everyone. I am so excited. So the future is here. ChatGPT is crazy. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to talk to you today about how we can do like all kind of cool stuff inside of Grasshopper by using ChatGPT. So I will just ask it, what is a torus knot? And says that a torus knot is a special type of knot that is formed by wrapping a closed curve around a torus. So Python file that can generate torus knot curve. So I will just send it. And it tells me here's an example of script in Python. Okay, that is crazy. So let's give it a second for it to load. And also it gives us comments and explains all kind of input, PQ, integers, parameters of the torus knot, R float, a major radius of the torus, lowercase r float, minor radius of the torus, endpoints, number of points to generate, so on and so forth. And it even gives us some sort of like default input. Here it gives us explanation or documentation of what this has been done and what we are expecting. So it says that this add interp curve function is then used to create a curve from those points. Okay, so right here it says that add interpolate curve points. So I'll copy the code. I'll come over here and I will go to math. I'll go to Python. I'll double click it. I will control A, delete everything, and then I'll test it. Okay, it went through. So that means there's no mistakes here at all. So right here, I know that RS stands for Rhino scripts, and the GPT explained it, say that he generated a curve at the end. So I will just type in CRV, stands for curve, equals this, whatever it's generated. And then I'll come over here, change the output name to CRV. Okay, we will click it and test again, hit OK. We got a torus knot. Isn't that ridiculous? Wow. Okay, so we can change the input also, right? We can come over here and change it right here. Like we can change it to 4 and test it. We got this, right? This is mind-blowing, guys. This is ridiculous. And of course, we can change those inputs right here. And to make sure that they are integer, I will just type in integer here, P. Test it, hit OK. It shows an error because we don't have those inputs right now. So remember P, Q, uppercase R, lowercase r, and MPT. Okay. So right here, P. Okay. So I'll come over to the file and use the default at the beginning, 3, 4, 5 to 100. So 3, 4, 5 to 800. Okay. I'll bring them in. Then we got it. Now we can change them. We can change the input. We can change the periodic input also. We can change this radius. And we can change how many number of points. This is insane, guys. This is insane. And then we can make all kind of cool stuff with this curve. We can make a pipe. Okay, I'll bring it in. We got a torus knot. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. And to enclose this, of course, we can first take its control points. I will just come over here and use this tool. And the control points are here. We're going to connect all those control points. And then I'll come over here, set the Boolean to true, make it periodic, and then set it. Okay. This is absolutely amazing. We can change all kind of parameters like 0.6. We can change it here, 3, 5. Look at that. That is crazy. Okay, that is insane. And make it flat. Okay, so this is mind-blowing. And right here, we see that this part is not as smooth. I can just come over here and change the input, right? I can give it more control points and smooth it out right here. Okay, so I can bake this and I'll get this beautiful torus knot. So thank you so much, guys. Please try it out. This tool is absolutely amazing. Okay, so sometimes when you try this ChatGPT, it will give you a bunch of codes that doesn't really work because of some error that will be raised inside of Grasshopper. So right here at the end, it will tell you some error, but this time it run through very well. If some error happen, you literally just copy and paste those errors at the dialog, and it will give you new blocks of code, which will solve all the problem. Okay, this is, again, I cannot tell you how amazing this is, and please try it out yourself. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to see you in our next tutorial.